This video and this information could change your life. Just sit back, relax, and treat this video like a podcast and just pay attention. Hear me out for just a few minutes. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Now listen, what do you guys notice right away? Well, a couple big bubbles, but what's one of them? Arrow. My boy Arrow. Listen, I love this coin, right? Why? Well, because I made a quick bag on it. And I'm back in it. But look, seriously though, I'm going to break this down for you guys very quickly. I remember back in March, I pretty much, it was like mid-March. It was around 70 cents. It was somewhere here. I found this coin. I remember it was pretty much doing very well in terms of structure. And I remember this moment. I was like, holy crap, this is going to break out. And that's why I remember this, because I pretty much bought on the dip. And then it boom, boom, right? It started to respect. Let me actually zoom in a little bit. It actually started to respect this, and I was like, holy crap. And when this started to explode, I was so damn happy. But I promised myself I'm gonna flip this bag very quickly. And then when we actually broke structure and we started to like kind of die here, I was like, I'm gonna cash out. So I made a quick roughly almost 2.5 times my money in just a span of a month or something like that. So I was really happy. I remember this moment. But I actually got back in it the other day, right? I kind of forgot about this coin, but I did remember. I was going through so many coins. I was like, wait, which coin is well fundamentally? And I actually looked back at this chart, and just actually a couple days ago, somewhere here, this little retest, I got in back at 75 cents. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you would have been in the private chat, it would have got called out to you. I actually just recently like rebranded everything, so it is nice and fresh. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get early calls, if you want to learn how to leverage trade, right? If you want to see exclusive things early, get notifications, when to sell, what to buy, trust me, it'll make a difference, right? You can make a lot of money. I promise you guys, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, is it too late to buy Aerodrome Finance? Right? Fun fact about this, I always want to call this Oreo for some reason, but that's just my brain, right? Overall, let me answer this question. It is not, okay? So I have a Fibonacci tool. I pretty much marked up the relevant low, right? We can call these the relevant lows because these lows down here, they're not that relevant, and we won't ever see price here again. We really won't, unless this thing would literally go to zero, right? So we have pretty much the relevant low, and we have the relevant top. Now we have 50%. So buying near 50% is buying at a normal price. Buying below 50% is a discount, correct? So based off this, you still have time to get into Arrow, okay? Now, personally, right, I do think there's gonna be a minor pullback, but I don't think anything that crazy, right? Because we just had an expansion. We've just fundamentally been retesting extremely well, right? You can see we've been retesting extremely well, right? We just had this candle. We just had a big hourly candle retest these tops, right? And here we have a little consolidation zone, and we just broke through. So I do think if we do get a pullback, right, we probably go a little bit higher. I would not be surprised if we go, sorry, I'm kind of getting sick, near these tops before we kind of get a pullback. And if that happens, ladies and gentlemen, I do think it's going to pull back 30 to 50% of pretty much from here to roughly here, right? I don't know 100% because we're not there yet, but I do think around $1.10 is a great buy. Honestly, right now is a great buy too, because if you look at the market cap, yeah, we're kind of high, but where this thing can be to the moon, right? 700 million market cap is not that high for a coin like this, okay? Now, on this channel, on these videos, I do mainly go through technical analysis more, but if you really want me to make a fundamental video, I could do that too. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, you are still early, right? But you are running out of time. You are running out of time. Now, I will give you a price prediction where I think this thing will go. And to be honest, chart-wise, the Fibonacci tool won't do it justice in my opinion, okay? Because I do genuinely think this can hit 7 to 15 billion market cap. And I understand it's a wide spectrum, right? but I do think around 10 billion is very, very realistic for this coin. Which what does that mean? That mean it would be around 7, this, that. Ladies and gentlemen, that'd be around $24. Now, I know that sounds crazy. I know it sounds crazy, but you have to understand what this coin provides, right? You have to understand that. And it's still not listed on Binance. It's still not listed on Kraken, right? And there might be even, did I see crypto? I saw Kraken. Mexi? Is Mexi here? Damn. So it still has some big exchanges where it can get listed, ladies and gentlemen. You don't understand. That alone will pump price hundreds of millions and billions of market cap, let alone the project, let alone the hype. Guys, we are so early. You understand? I got in back, like I said, what I say. It was roughly what, 80 cents or something? I don't remember what I said. But I got him back very, very recently. I think it was mid 70s. And I'm going to be holding until the market structure shifts. And ladies and gentlemen, if you want to know precise exits, right, because I'm telling you, market structure does not lie, then make sure to join the private chat, and I'll talk to you guys next time.